sometimes God is removing people. Your life is not dependent on your family. Your life is not dependent on your business. Your life is not connected to your money. Your life is connected to God who stays with you, who is with you. He's on your side. He is always fighting for you. This is the reason why God wants you to be strong, wants you to be anointed. Because one of this day, people will depend on you. I believe payayamanin ka ng Diyos. Bakit? Because people will depend on you. I believe pauunlarin ka ng Diyos. Because one of this day, God saw people will depend on you. I tell you one thing, yung meron ka dati, just enough for you to be fed. Yung meron ka dati, just enough for you para mabayaran mong bills mo. Pero gusto ko sabihin sa ito, when you enter the promised land, you will not only pay your own bill, you will help other people pay their bills. Tandaan nyo ito, pag may nire-remove na si Lord sa inyo, papasok ka na ng promise na.